Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is to estimate with percents. You are going to learn it here, the easy way. But before we proceed to our main lesson, I would like to ask you one question. Are you a coffee drinker? I am not a coffee drinker, but the Emirati family is always offering coffee and dates whenever you are going to visit their house. That is why I've researched a lot regarding coffee and dates, and I found out that there are a lot of health benefits. That is why they are offering them to their visitors. Do you know that coffee is an excellent source of antioxidants, which may help protect cells from damage? But for some people, it is a stimulant that disrupts sleeps. Let us continue our discussion regarding the benefits of coffee to our health later. Let us move first to the main objective of our lesson. We are going to learn today how to estimate with percents using compatible numbers and equivalent ratios. Let us recall the rounding off rules first. If the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, do not change the rounding digit. All digits that are on the right-hand side of the requested rounding digit become 0. All the digits that are colored black are not going to be changed, while all the digits colored red, which are on the right-hand side, will be dropped down to 0. Accordingly, the rounded off number of 31 is 30, 42 is 40, 13 is 10, 34 is 30, and 20 is 20. Okay, remember that if the number is from 0 to 4, it will be rounded off to 0. And don't change the rounding numbers anymore. Nevertheless, if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the rounding digit rounds up by one number. All digits that are on the right-hand side of the requested rounding digit will become 0. Accordingly, all the red numbers are to be rounded off. Therefore, if you are going to round off all the digits from 5 to 9, the rounding digits round up by one number. Subsequently, 35 will be rounded up to 40, 46 will be rounded up to 50, 17 will be rounded up to 20, 38 will be rounded off to 40, and 29 will be rounded off to 30. Okay? It is easy, right? Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Estimate 68% of 489. Let us round off all the given number first. The percent will be rounded off to the nearest tens, and the given number will be rounded off to the nearest hundred, so that it will be easier for you. Therefore, 68% will be rounded off to 70%, and 489 will be rounded off to 500. Let us draw a bar diagram so that it will be easier for you to identify where is the 70% of 500. Since the bar was cut into 5 parts, each bar will indicate 100. To make it easier for you, let us cut each bar into 2, indicating 50 each bar. Accordingly, we have now 10 bars. Considering that we need the 70% of the bar, we're going to take the 7 out of 10. Therefore, 7 times 50 will give us 750. Consequently, 68% of 489 is about 350. Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Estimate 52% of 412. Rounding off all the given numbers first, 52% will be rounded off to 50% to the nearest tenths, and 412 will be rounded off to 400 to the nearest hundred. Drawing the bar diagram, which will be cut into 4 parts and each part will consist 100, will give us a total of 400. And 50% is indicated on half of the whole bar. Accordingly, 2 parts will be 50%. Because of this, 52% of 412 is about 200. Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Estimate 90% of 2,505. Rounding off all the given numbers first, 90% will retain as 90%, while 2,505 will be rounded off to the nearest 100, which is 2,500. We're going to have 10 parts of the bar and we're going to take 90% of it. 2,500 divided by 10 will give us 250 each. So, each bar will have 250. Accordingly, 2 parts of the bar will give us 500. To sum it up, we're going to have 500 times 4 plus 250. Accordingly, 90% of 2,505 is about 2,250. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Estimate 19% of 396. Rounding off all the given numbers first, 19% to be rounded off to the nearest tens will become 20%, while 396 to be rounded off to the nearest 100 will give us 400. Drawing a bar diagram and cut them into 10 parts. Afterwards, we are going to take the 2 parts out of 10, indicating 2 over 10. That is 20%. 400 divided by 10 will give us 40. Accordingly, each part will indicate 40. For that reason, 19% of 396 is about 80. It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can fully understand the lesson. Fatima asked her classmates regarding who have vegetable farms in their family, and she found out that 48% out of 42 girls have vegetable farms. About how many have farms? Rounding off all the given numbers to the nearest tens, 48% will be rounded off to 50%, while 42 will be rounded off to 40. Let us draw a bar diagram and cut them into 10 parts. Accordingly, 40 divided by 10 will give us 4. Therefore, we know that each bar will contain 4. And 50% will show us 4 times 5, which will give us 20. For this reason, 48% of 42 is about 20. To wrap it up, to estimate percent of a given number, round off all the given numbers first. Afterwards, make a bar diagram of the rounded number. Furthermore, identify which part of the bar is the percentage that you need. I want you to take note that 68% will be rounded off to 70%. If the number in the ones place values are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, the rounding digit rounds up by one number. Likewise, when the given number is in the hundreds place, just round off the number to the nearest hundreds. Moreover, the 52% will be rounded off to 50%. If the digit is from 0 up to 4, do not change the rounding digit, and all the digits that are on the right-hand side of the requested rounding digit will become 0. Additionally, if you're given a number in the hundreds place, always round the number to the hundreds place. Let us move back to the discussion of drinking coffee to our health. But when is the best time to drink coffee? The best time to drink coffee is between 10 a.m. and noon, and then again between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again, watch it slowly, carefully, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you to score high in math, then be wise and healthy, okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!